When you do this competitively, you have to be focused. People are going to be bumping into each other. They're going to be passing each other close. You have changing conditions. You can't afford mistakes.
Whoa! Side by side they go!
And there's no better feeling than doing this well.
King of the Baggers, it's turned into a really interesting and competitive series.
There's been a massive shift in King of the Baggers. It's essentially turned into all-out war.
An arms race to develop the most sophisticated bagger race bike possible.
They're closing in on superbike top speeds and times. It's insane.
Kyle is the guy we're all going after. He's got the factory seat.
This is your job and you're expected to win. That's a welcoming type of pressure.
You know, Kyle's so good at everything.
We need you to cheer as loud as you can for your favorite contestant.
Don't tell him I said that his helmet won't fit.
You have 6 months to perform, and if you don't perform, you might be left without a seat for next year.
I am the only female that's ever raced a bagger whose teammate is her husband.
I'm a little more calm and collected. She can be hot tamale.
Being a professional motorcycle racer, the physical demands are high.
The toughest part is if one of us goes down, how do you ignore it?
Having two brothers, being teammates, I think it's unique. You know, as much as we want to beat one another, we want to see the other one succeed too.
I kind of got away from racing, but I didn't want him growing up thinking that I quit. I want him to see that I put everything I had into it. I'll just be happy if I'm there for the birth. You know, I've got a baby that's about to be born that I have to be here for. That's just gonna make me ride even harder and try and get this championship.
There's never an end. We found that limit.
Kyle Wyman with a big victory.
What's the next limit?
Oh no! I'll work as much as I gotta work. What are you as a rider gonna do today?
Are they gonna wait? Nope, they're not gonna wait for him.
All the things that keep you up at night.
Whoa! He pushes too hard.
That was definitely not on the list.
Oh no!
Racing's crazy, it's unpredictable. You never know what's gonna happen.
When you go into the final race this season and 3 different riders could win the championship, buckle up.
Like they're thinking, it's my time, so I'm gonna go and take it.
I put everything I can into this. I don't want to look back and have the what-ifs.
It's not just one race, it's everything.